Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. For my other videos, kindly refer to the links given in the description below. In this video, I am going to explain how to format a research paper so that the journal accepts it using LaTeX. Now, let us take the Technic Center editor. Here we use the document class article and then also two packages, AMS math package and authblock package. AMS math package is useful for typesetting mathematical expressions, equations, etc. What is the purpose of this authblock? That I will explain a little later. The title of your paper is given with the command title, how to impress the referees, and then the list of authors. All the authors shall be listed in the command author. The address or affiliation is given here in date. This is so if all the authors contributing to this paper have got the same address. Now, let me compile this and you will find the output does not contain the title, author or other address because we miss a very important command here, namely make title. With make title, title, author, address will appear. Notice that the font, the position, the alignment used for title, list of authors, their address are all already fixed in the article.class file. You need not do anything about it. Now, I mentioned that all the three authors in this particular example have got the same affiliation. Only then this structure will be useful. But this is seldom the case. Three authors may have three different affiliations, addresses. In that case, use auth block style file and the coding is slightly different. Author within option bracket 1 name of the first author. Similarly for the second and third authors. Second author, third author, second author, third author. Right. Their addresses are given in the command affil 1 and then within curly braces department 1, institution 1, city 1, country 1. Similarly for the second and third authors. Now, if we now compile, you will find the author names will have superscripts 1, 2, 3, etc. and they are suitably linked to their addresses given below. Sometimes it may so happen that first author and third author have got the same affiliation. In that case, you put here for the third author 1 and you can remove this third. Now you will find first author has got a superscript 1, third author has got a superscript 1 and their addresses are given below. This date will automatically appear in the output. To remove it, you give an empty command date open close, then the date will go. Now, let us consider that you want to list out or summarize your paper as an abstract. Abstract is given in the environment, in the abstract environment, begin abstract, end abstract. Body of the abstract is given here. Now, if your paper has got subject classification and keywords, they can be coded like this, and remember they have to be within the abstract and they will appear in the output suitably. Then let us go to the body of the paper. Body of the paper starts with section command. The section title may be, let us say, introduction. You need not give the number of the section. The number will be supplied by LaTeX automatically. In such a case, use a label. Other divisions possible are subsection, subsection, paragraph in the case of article.class file. Now, in introduction, you narrate your problem. What I have narrated here is a researcher, after doing so much hard work, sends a paper to a journal. The referee usually returns the paper. How to overcome this problem? How to impress the referee? That forms the introduction for this paper. Now, in the subsection, we start like this. We have an equation. Equation is coded in equation environment. Equation number will be supplied by LaTeX. Therefore, you have a label. We start with a simple equation 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is not impressive. Let us see the output now. We start with this equation 1. This is not very impressive. If we want our paper to be accepted by the referees, reviewers, we have to be more abstract. Therefore, we shall complicate equation 1 a little. What we do now is, you have the next section. In the next section, you describe your attempt to overcome this problem. We write the left hand side of the equation expression by using log to the base e of e is 1 and sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. These two equations, it's better to have same equation number but with alignment. In that case, you code them in equation environment. Within the equation environment, use another environment aligned. Aligned means you align the equations about the equal to sign. Put an ampersand here, and then the right hand side can be stated as 2 equal to summation. Lower limit is, use underscore, lower limit is n equal to 0, upper limit is infinity. Use caret symbol. A fraction 1 over 2 power n. Therefore, equation 1 can be expressed more scientifically as, after substituting the above equations. Here what we do is, we cross-reference equation 1. The command used is /eqref, and here we use a label for equation 1. This tilde symbol used here will ensure that the word equation and the number here will always go together, they will not be separated. And then the result is equation 4, which is far more impressive. However, we should not stop here. Let us see the output. From equation 1, you see, we have used here aligned environment. Therefore, equation number 2 is centered about the first equation and the second equation. Now, using equations 2 and 3, equation 1 can be expressed in this form. This is 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which is far more impressive. However, we should not stop here. Then go ahead to complicate this a little more. Go to the next section. You can give any number of line breaks here. There is no problem. Now, here we use the align environment. Therefore, ampersand symbol is necessary. These two equations will be aligned about the equal to sign. They will have individual equation numbers like this. This space is necessary, otherwise the word and will merge with the rest of the equations. Also, and has to be in text mode. Therefore, we may use mbox or we may use text command. With the AMS package, text command is available. As before, using equations 5 and 6, equation 4 can therefore be written in this form. Here we have used automatic sizing of square brackets by using the command left and right. Here also we have used left and right for automatic sizing of the brackets. Let us compile and get the result. As I mentioned, equation 5 and 6 have got individual numbers. The command used for limit is /lim, and after underscore, whatever you give here is that tending to infinity will appear here just below the operator lim. Because of automatic sizing of bracket use, the sizes of brackets will be suitably enlarged. For cos h, the command used is /cos h. For tan h, the command used is /tan h. Therefore, they will appear in Roman font. Here also, obviously, this equation is far more impressive than the one we started with in the section 1.1. For this, we have used the command section tilde ref, the label for section 1.1. We would like to, usually, we conclude the paper by proposing our future work. Here we say, we may try other methods of similar nature which will enhance the prestige of this paper or the authors. Now, the references are given in the environment, the bibliography, not bibliography, the bibliography. Between begin the bibliography and end the bibliography, you give the references in this format. I will explain how to code the references in a later video. For the present, I will concentrate on this. After begin the bibliography, you have to give one or more digits within curly braces. On compilation, you will get section 4 conclusion, and then the word references will automatically appear. You need not type. And then number 1 within square bracket appears. Now, this 0, 0 ensures that there is indentation on the left. Instead of 2 zeros, suppose you say 4 zeros, then indentation here will be more. Usually, if number of references is up to 9, use 1 0. If it is a 99, use 2 zeros, and so on. With 1 0, we get this. The problem faced by many authors is this. You prepare your paper in single column, but paper requires that you format your paper in 2 column mode. Then we shall try 2 column in the options. And then if you compile, what will happen is title, author, address, they will appear in single column. The rest of the paper will appear in 2 column mode. In the case of IEEE journals, this is the format. However, other journals require that abstract, subject classification, keywords, etc. also appear in single column mode, and only the rest of the paper, body of the paper alone is in 2 column mode. In that case, what you may do is, two column, square bracket open, and then you close the square bracket after end abstract. and then here you start a new environment. Begin at 2 column false, and then here you say end 2 column false. Now you will find the abstract subject classification keywords also appear in single column format. Now, one word of caution, namely, what I have described so far refers to the journals which do not supply a class file of their own. But many of the standard reputed journals supply a class file of their own along with a PDF file containing guidelines of formatting your paper and also a sample text file. The sample text file may contain a line like this, let us say title, and then they will say your title goes here. All that you have to do is copy your title in the paper here. Similarly, for other commands also in the sample.text file, and rename the file suitably so that when you submit it to the journal, it will not be sample.text, it will be something else, some unique name. Once you compile this file, the output will exactly match the journal pages. In this presentation, I have used certain sentences just for the sake of explaining LaTeX coding. Do not take those sentences seriously. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.